Hi, my name is Melanie Thorley. Welcome to HKT Law's tutorial session on how to figure out your pay rate according to your awards. First, we're going to start with your browser. I'm using Google. I've typed in FWO for the Fair Work Ombudsman. It's usually the first thing on the list. Choose that and you'll be sent to the Fair Work Ombudsman website. From there, we choose Pay at the top and then Pay Calculator. This will take you to the PACT page. We want the Pay Calculator, so choose that. Now we have the first page to calculate your pay rate. We're going to say that you're an employee and that you want to calculate it as of today. So click Next. Now we're at a page where it asks you whether you know your award or whether you want help finding it. Usually your employer will tell you what your award is. It should be written in your employment contract. I'm going to state that I know my award and click Next. Now we have to select your award out of the really long list. I'm going to choose the Retail Award because of the simple fact that loads of employees are employed in the retail sector. If I click on the little arrow next to the award, it will give me a brief outline of who was included in this award. You'll see that it is a long list. See if you can find your broad job description. It does give some idea of what jobs this award does and does not cover. Have a look there. You'll notice that restaurant workers are not included, and it does show that department stores or those working with the food retail are included. If you work for a company like Woolworths or Coles, make sure that you're not under an enterprise agreement. We can help you with that. Give us a call. Okay, scroll down to Next. Now have a think if you're a trainee, eligible for supported wage or an apprentice. If you click on the little question marks, you'll get a brief description of each of those. I've chosen No for each. Once you've done that, click Next. Now you have to figure out what level you're at. Don't worry, there's help there for you to choose. Click on the little arrow and it will provide you with a really good idea of what type of duties fit into which level. Have a look at these. It will really help you figure it out. I'm going to choose level 1 and then click Next. Choose whether you're casual, full-time or part-time and click Next. This one's easy. How old are you? Choose the one that fits. Once you do, click Next. This page just gives you a bit of an overview of what the choices you've made. It's time to click on the View Pay Rate Summary. Here finally is your answer. If you're 20 years old, this would be your pay rate according to the award, based on the fact that you're a sales assistant in the retail sector. Now you can add the little things that will boost your pay. Select penalties. Here you'll get a list of some additional rates according to your award and hours worked. Probably if you're an employee working in a retail shop on a 7-day roster, ordinary hours, so choose one of those. If you click the question marks, you'll get more information about that. For yourself, click whatever applies, then scroll down to I know this applies. This will send you back to the other screen with your pay rate on. This time it'll have your additional penalty rates. Have some fun with it. Have a look to see if you're entitled to any additional allowances by scrolling down and clicking Select Allowances. Click any that apply on the list. Remember, there's always help there if you need it. Click on the ones that you think might apply and then click Next. This will bring you to a screen about special or protective clothing. Click what applies to you and click Next. Okay, now we're back at the pay rate page with all that new information. Try not to get too confused. Have a look around, make sure that it matches your actual pay rate. At the very least, you should not be paid any less. If you think that your employer has made a mistake, you can talk to them about it or call the Fair Work Ombudsman. Or if you like, give us a call. We'll try to give you some free advice on the subject. I hope this has helped you today. And if you've got any questions, remember, you can always give us a call and we'll see if we can help you out. Thanks a lot for watching.